Listen, guys, I'm going to be very, very brutal and honest with you guys. Now, your YouTube channel is not growing, and trust me, it won't grow until you do this one thing, until you fix this one setting. Yes, I know you've been uploading videos, I know you've tried thumbnails, hashtags, even maybe SEO tags. You've watched hours of tutorials and you've seen other small creators blew up while you still feel stuck in the middle. But here is the truth, guys. It's not the algorithm that is holding you back. It's not your niche also. It's not that YouTube hates small creators. It is this one hidden mistake that almost every small YouTubers make. And until you fix it, nothing else you do will matter. So in this video, I'm going to break it all down and I'm going to expose the mistakes, show you why it kills your channel and your growth, and also gives you the exact step-by-step method in order to fix it. And guys, if you stick with me until the end, I'm going to even share a bonus growth hack that almost most people never talk about. So grab your notebook because this could be the turning point for your channel. Now, the first thing you should know is the painful truth about YouTube growth. Before I tell you the mistake, I need you to hear this truth. YouTube is not a video platform. It is a viewer's platform. What does that mean? It means YouTube doesn't care about your videos or my video or anyone else's video. YouTube only cares about one thing, which is how much time can your audience keep viewing on YouTube. That is it. That is what the algorithm is all about. Now, when you understand this, you stop blaming YouTube and start seeing the real game you are playing. The algorithm isn't out to get you. It's just rewarding the creators who understand how to keep viewers watching. Now, why do I say this? Because most small creators think the key to growth is upload more often, use trending hashtags, hop on viral moments and viral trends. No. If you're uploading videos that don't keep people watching, YouTube has zero reasons to push you out to new audience. And that brings us to the mistakes, the silent killers of channels. Okay, now mistake number one is the reason why your channel is not growing is because you are creating content for yourself, not for your audience. Read that again. You are making videos you want to make, not videos your audience wants to watch. This is the difference between creators who stay stuck at 200 subscribers forever and those who take off to 20,000, 200,000, or even 2 million. Guys, think about it. Be honest. When you sit down to plan your videos, do you ask yourself this question? What do I feel like recording? Do I feel like recording today? Or what problem is my audience desperately searching for a solution right now? That is the mistake. And most small YouTubers are in their own head, chasing their own passion without aligning it with their audience, what their audience actually cares about. Now, YouTube growth is about creating value-driven, audience-first content. And until you shift from self-centered creation to audience-centered creation, your channel will stay invisible. Now, the next thing is why you should fix this one thing and why it is going or how it is going to change a lot of things. Now, let's talk about why fixing this one thing unlocks your YouTube growth. When you start making videos for audience, not for yourself, three powerful things are bound to happen to your channel. One, it is going to give you a high click-through rate. Yes, your titles and thumbnails will start, it will suddenly stop being random. There is what we call random content, random thumbnails, random titles. The moment you start observing all those things, this particular high click rate is going to change. You're going to notice the changes in it. They are irresistible because they speak to your audience pain. They speak to your audience desire. They speak to your audience curiosity. Do you understand? Another thing that you're also going to notice, the changes you're also going to notice is high retention. Mind you that people stay longer because the video is about them. Yes, they don't click off about 20 seconds thinking this isn't what I wanted. No, they do stay. Then another changes that is going to bring to your channel is stronger community. It is going to give you and build a stronger community for you. Now, when viewers feel seen, they comment more, they subscribe faster, and they turn into loyal fans who watch everything you post. And guess what? When your CTR retention and engagement go up, the algorithm rewards you with reach. And that is how channel uploads. There's no magic. It's not magic. It's not luck. It is fixing this one mistake. Then number 4 thing you are doing is let me show you guys something. For example, now there is okay, let's assume now we shift our strategy, or I shift my strategy of instead of giving my video a particular title that will trigger my, let's assume I'm into vlogging. You know how all this vlogging is, and I shift my strategy. Instead of me titling my video "My Day in Lagos," she made a video called, you understand that type of thing. Why not I go ahead and think of a tricky titles like 10 things you should never do on your first day in Lagos, and all those things, all those twists that you can give to your channel in order to to drive attention to in the minds of people and all of that. So that is just it. So the mistake is always the same, and the fix is always the same as well. Now, here is step-by-step guide on how you can fix this particular mistake, right? So how do you fix this? Let me give you guys an exact road map on how to go about it. Step number 1 is for you to identify your audience pain and desires. Ask your audience questions. What questions are they typing into your YouTube right now? Use tools like YouTube search bar, autocomplete, Google Trend, Reddit, and Quora questions in your niche in order to, get ideas. Step number 2 is flip your perspective. Stop asking questions like, what do I want to post? No. Start asking, what would make someone click this video who doesn't know me yet? Do you understand? Then step number 3 is craft audience first titles and thumbnails. By titles can be maybe my morning routine. Then maybe good title can also be morning routine that tripped my productivity in 30 days. Now compare these two titles, my morning routine and morning routine that tripped my productivity in 30 days. So you can see that this second option of title, it gives more sense and more meaning to your title. So that is how you should be. Now, when you come to your thumbnail making, maybe your thumbnail can be bad in the sense that it has a random selfie. Yes. But when you create it in a good way, like maybe it has bold text, maybe in your text is going to be like 3 times productivity plus clean background, all those type of things. Yes. So step number 4 is deliver value in the first 30 seconds. Hook your audience immediately. Tell them what they will get and why it matters. Then step number 5 is edit ruthlessly for retention. Cut fluff. Get to the point. Add pattern interrupt, visuals, zooms, text on screens to keep people engaged. This way, you're going to start seeing changes. Now, step number 6 is make sure to always engage and build your community. Ask viewers to comment, reply to them, make them feel like, part of something. Then step number 7 is analyze and adjust. Look at your YouTube analytics. Which videos have the most highest watch time? Double down on those topics. Yes. Which thumbnail flops? Go and redesign them. Do this and your channel will grow. Then the 6th thing, the common myths that keep your channel stocked is, now guys, let me bust a few myths that stop your small, especially all these are because I'm also a small YouTuber as well. So one of the things that makes our video to flop and stop getting views is you need fancy equipment. Yes, sometimes it's not all about some people will think that, okay, for me to get viral, for me to shoot good videos, they will think that they need fancy equipment. No, you don't need valuable content. all you need is what? Valuable content. You don't need this fancy equipment. No. People watch bad camera videos every day. So if the content solve their problem, automatically, no matter how bad your video is, they will stick there and watch it. The might number 2 is upload daily or you will fail. We keep hearing this all the time. They will say consistency matters, but quality is equal to quantity. Yes. So one powerful video can beat 10 random ones. So stop that mindset of uploading a video. No, it doesn't really help all the time. The might number 3 is the algorithm hates small YouTuber. They keep telling us all these things. But no, it is not. YouTube is neutral. So if your video keep people watching, YouTube will push it no matter what or no matter your size. The might number 4 is niche down forever. Yes, niche helps, but don't trap yourself. Niche around solving problem for a type of audience, not just a topic. And might number 5 is they will keep telling that growth is slow. It's not true. Growth can be exponential. You're right. Once you fix this mistake, your next video could be the one that blows up. And then the bonus I talked about, I told you guys to make sure you stick to the end. So if you have watched this video to this end, please go ahead and give this video a like. Click your subscription button. Let's dive in, right? Then one of those bonus I said and I promise I'm going to deliver is a breath. Now, since you stuck around this long, let me reward you guys with extra hack most creators ignore. Now, hack number 1 is make sure to steal like a scientist. Look at successful videos in your niche. Do not copy, okay? Ask questions like, why did this thumbnail work? Why did this title work? Go and reverse. That is what we call reverse engineer. Then bonus tip number 2 is don't play with your playlist. Playlists is one of the secret weapons we have. Some of us underestimate it. Group your videos into bingeable playlists. YouTube loves session watch time. So hack number 3 is always pin a comment with a call to action. Direct your audience. For example, are you new in this in my channel? Watch my full playlist on my growing, on how I grow from this to that, depending on your titles. Then bonus number 4 is always optimize your end screen. I don't joke with my end screen. Nothing will ever make me not to put end screen in my video. Don't waste them. Always push viewers to stay in your next best video. The number 5 is what? Collaboration. Even small collabs expose you to fresh audience. Don't wait until you're big. Some of us will have this mindset, oh, I want to collaborate with big content creators. Trust me, some of these big content creators, they don't give a damn about you. They don't even notice you. All they want is for you to watch their video. But when you start building, associating yourself with small creators like you, I do that a lot. I always go to small creators, those that always have 5 views, 10 views. I go there, I comment, and from there I start building friendship. I know a lot of friends I've made on this platform that they are just small YouTubers. And today, it has favored me in a way that I didn't even expect it. So, here is the bottom line, guys. Your channel won't grow until you fix this one thing. Stop making videos for yourself and start making them for yourself, for your audience. The moment you shift from self-centered creation audience, you understand, you will see a lot of things will start changing. Your CTR goes up, your retention goes up, your community grows, and you finally have a reason to always push your content and all of that. Now, guys, I want you to take an action. Write in the comment section, go and type, I'm fixing this today, so that I will know how serious you are. Go down there and write, I am fixing this today, okay? And don't just watch this video and move on. Go and apply it. Reframe your next video idea around your audience and watch what will happen. Now, if you got value from this video, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and share this video with another small creators who needs to hear this, please. Because let's be real, the only thing standing between you and your breakthrough is this one fix. So go and fix it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to hit the like button, okay? Subscribe to this channel, turn on your bell icon so that you don't miss any of my content. To my returning subscribers, I love you guys. See you.